What we're going to talk about right now is modal interchange. What is modal interchange? It's simply borrowing a chord from a parallel tonality. Let me say that again. Modal interchange is borrowing a chord from a parallel tonality. What do I mean by that? If I'm in the key of C major, I know that C major has 7 diatonic chords in it. C, D minor, E minor, F major, G dominant, A minor, B minor 7 flat 5, C. Those are the 7 chords that are in C major. If I wanted to borrow from a parallel tonality, and parallel simply means they share the same root. So any scale starting from C, I could borrow from. A very typical scale that's used is C natural minor. C natural minor is 1, 2, flat 3, 4, 5, flat 7, 5, flat 6, flat 7, 1. A C natural minor. There are chords built upon each note, and each note of those chords are diatonic to C natural minor. So it would be C minor 7, D minor 7 flat 5, E flat major 7, F minor 7, G minor 7, A flat major 7, B flat dominant 7. And then of course C minor again. You see it right there on the screen, all the diatonic chords in C natural minor. This time I'm going to play 735 voice C. C minor 7, D minor 7 flat 5, E flat major, F minor 7, G minor 7, A flat major 7, B flat dominant 7, and C minor 7. So what I can do is I can choose any one of those chords and I can place it in a progression that is diatonic. And what this does is it adds a little bit of color to that progression. Let's just say I'm playing 1 chord to the 3 chord to the 4 major chord. 1, 3, 4 major. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add or replace the 4 major with 4 minor, because 4 minor I'm borrowing from C natural minor. So instead of, I'll go 1, 3 minor, 4 minor. That's the chord I'm borrowing from the parallel tonality. But I'm still in C. 1, 3, 4 major. Now I'm going to borrow a chord. But I'm still in C major. Let's borrow another chord. How about we borrow the flat 3? Flat 3 in C minor is the E flat major chord. So I'm playing along C. This time I'm going to borrow 2 chords. I'll borrow flat 3, E flat major, and flat 6, A flat major 7. I'm in C major. I'm playing nice diatonic chords. Modal interchange, flat 6 major 7. To the flat 3 major 7. Modal interchange chord, borrowing from a parallel tonality. I'm in one tonality, say I'm in C major. I'm going to borrow a chord from C natural minor. I can borrow C minor, D minor 7 flat 5, E flat major, F minor, G minor, A flat major, B flat dominant 7, any one of those chords. And it just adds a little extra flavor to your progression. Modal Interchange.